Okay, I'm back again, and this time the learning has come into a fairground, or the county fair, as Justin calls it as part of his introduction to VR development. I'm just having a quick look into learning how to basically build, and here's my first go. I've just had to go doing this very basic, throw the ring onto the bottle. So I'm just going to try it now. Here we go. Hopefully I don't hit anything in the room. Nope. Okay. Get a bit closer. The bounce is brilliant. I've got to say the bounce is great. Okay, so clearly I'm not very good at picking things up. So we can get it. Okay. Let's go over here. Try and get a bit closer. Okay. All right, one more go. Ah, damn it. Didn't do it. Come on, power of levitation. Come back to me. It's getting a bit stuck now. The mesh collider's obviously... That's interesting. It's stuck. It's stuck inside the object. Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, this is just... I love it. Okay, well, anyway, that's the... Oh, we got it. Okay. One more try. See if I can get it this time. Okay. Fail. But the bounce works really, really well. Anyway, that's my learning. That's my fun so far. I'll keep you posted. Thanks, guys.